in order to create automations on iPhone 17e, we can use the Shortcuts app. If we find the Shortcuts app, we should be able to open it quite easily. And then in here at the bottom, we can switch to automation. There's also the gallery that we can use. So here we can find a couple of suggestions, couple of automations that we can start using straight away, or just features, I guess. But nevertheless, let's start by creating a new automation. So over here, we should be able to choose the trigger. So in this case, let's say if I use the NFC tag over here, I can also scan for the NFC tag, and we can run after confirmation, or we can run immediately. So we can decide if we wanted to still confirm the automation or not. But also we can be notified when it is run, and then we can proceed with the next steps. But maybe instead of the NFC, I'm gonna use the Wi-Fi in this example. So for example, if I choose the network, let's say I'm gonna choose my my hotspot from my phone. If I join the network or if I disconnect the network, I can decide what should happen. Over here, I'm gonna choose to run immediately. And let's go next. And then we can decide what should happen when we join that network. Of course, this is just an example. You can choose anything else from that list. So let's say when I connect to the network, I want to open the camera. Why not? Simple as that. And there we go. The automation is pretty much ready. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.